Uhlelo Tandla Nenkondlo ngiyathuthuma sesolula ngatelela kubona lihlelo lakho Tandla Nenkondlo sesifikile ngesikhathi salo lihlelo. Libito lami ngingifortunate ngwamabuza ngiyethemba ukuthi uphilile lapho ukhona khona. Futhi nje udijele uthabana namuhla lemfe ngidayifunza ngidawu make sure ukuthi ngiyayenda nami khona nami lokuncane lengidakuzama ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi iphilisa. Sinaye ke Twin the Poet njengoba wathi ukuthi siba nabo bosonkondlo bala ekhaya eSwatini. Ngihlala ngikutshela mina futhi ngikunesiqiniseko ukuthi sina sidakulethela brand new. Dawusinamba ukuthi ha Poet naye yebo sinaye ke Twin the Poet utamuva Twin the Poet ukuthi uthini ufika kanjani futhi ka poetry ufisile indvele kukusida nawe wena lo ofisile kuba ngusonkondlo
nabathi umhlaba uyahlaba cha basuke baqinisile mina ngibonile kulomnyaka lesisuka kiwo nalapho bese sithole khona kuthula kanti cha thula kupholela kutawuthula khona nemphefumulo basale bahlengete yadi nyembeti bona labasala ngemuva kulomnyaka lesisuka kiwo benginyukela ngifunda ngisho imphefumulo sayibona inyuka ngikukanzelani bangisekhona ekhaya ezulwini emakhaya tenhlitiyo dasala titsabukile lokutsabukisa ukuthi kona kuthula kufikena lapho besingakagatsi khona kona kulomnyaka lesisuka kiwo sidahlekele dihlobo dinini bangani ngemaphubo imisebenzi yethu nayo iphelele teni nabathi umhlaba uyahlaba cha basuke baqinisile mina ngibonile kulomnyaka lesisuka kuwo hathi nakahaya sonkondlo ngalelinye lemalanga lawo maphupho lesingakawafezi kulomnyaka lesisuka kuwo kulona mnyaka siwafeza cha inhloso yale nkondlo ukubeka kube sobala ukuthi sonke kulomnyaka lesisuka kuwo bongizima kithi sonke sesiphokophele kuwo lona mnyaka loqala ukuthi wona usiphatheleni manje simanga sinye wona nekufuna kusiphinze yathi igigaba letenteke kulomnyaka lophelile ngani nawu saqala lona mnyaka sibonile nayo imphefumulo inyukilanzelani bangisekhona ekhaya ezulwini emakhaya daqhubeka tinyembeti dahlengetela njalo imihla nemalanga naloku ngikhuluma labanye bahlengetela tinyembeti emakhaya phela sebashiwe isihlobo sabo nabo lebe basithanza mdali Siko somandla sikhala kuwe nalesi sikhathi sithona salusipha inhlakanyinipho kanye nemandla Siko somandla sesicela wena salusitwela lempilo seyisele wena somandla salusigcina thina lesisele sale size siwafeza lawo maphupho lasele Siko somandla mdali wezulu nemhlaba kanye nemumfu sikhala kuwe ngoba umfana dongakhala ufela khona empelekweni lona ke nguye Twin the Poet losonkondlo ngeSiswati.
Twin the Poet, welcome to Tandla Nenkondlo. Vusela umbukele ekhaya and introduce yourself ngoba ngiyathi ukuthi you are not Twin the Poet nje kuphela.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya. Ngeke igama lekuqalwa nginginda ngakaDlamini and then ngala kaNkondlo ngi-Twin the Poet. Ngihlala khona la Matkens ke phaya ekhaya kuselwandle. Ngoba ngesangala nasikolo ngifunza khona ngala. And then that gama la Twin the Poet basically sukela ukuthi wathi make nakastala thina saba yi2 ngesikhathi sisodwa so ngi-twin ngibamba in real life ngi-twin so ngabe seke ngithi ngintanda leti nkondlo ngidaba ngilo Twin the Poet.
Oh utokhona kufaka nalo lomunye abe part of.
Yeah, toba part of ngamshina nje.
Okay. Ngimuphi lo ngibona ngazuthi ngiloya lo shy then wena out there.
Not specific ukuthi ngiloya lo shy ngimlo shy but ngasuke ngathi tsanzayo. Ngase ngathanza ngimotivate abantu so kuze ngibamotivate kungcono ukuthi ngene ngala ngikhona.
Okay. Alright, uqala nini ke lo mkhuba wekuba ngisonkondlo?
Ngaqala back in 2021, yes.
Okay.
I was doing from 3 years esikolweni. I met this guy though. Right now in Matingathi I'm the poet. So ngangifunza naye esikole sinye and then this day going things about COVID, so for the form 3 na form 5 esikoleni. So yena bekenda form 5 at that time. And then I met him. Afro China because ngaqala ngabona yena ukuthi ngathi ngikhonje ngathi no this thing ngiyayithanza ngayenza and then ngam-approacha. Next day was ngiphathe ibhuku lami leti ngikhonje tatibona and then kusukela lapho we go forward. Wangi-introduce to this other group, it's Poetry Tree. And then lapho and then wangakhala lapha to what I am today.
Okay, wabajoyina wathi khanza sokulenye family. Okay, you are joining poetry uka form 3. Akukuphazamisanga esikolweni form 3 ngivu ngazi ukuthi crucial.
No, ngiphathamisanga because ngidongela motivator to study because now poetry we need to read more.
Yeah, so, read more and write more.
Yes. Yeah, ngiphathamisanga.
Okay. All right, so then you are studying poetry here at school. Bayakusita labanye bosonkondlo. Are you getting support from the teachers nasekhaya kwendeka kanjani?
Yes, suppose being for the matishedeni, it's Mrs. Maseko and Mr. Mabuza. So Mrs. Maseko sometimes bekathatha inkonzo tamatifunds asho ukuthi lapha nalapha ngilungisa ngokuthi
Okay.
na Mr. Mabuza thisha lesiswati so beyangisitshe kubeni ngathi tisho netaka lapha nalapha bengakusebenzisa.
Okay.
And then ekhaya bengithola support yami ngimama ya. Ngawo ngisupport kakhulu kule career yami then.
Okay, bowenda njani ngimake bombhalela umrecitele noma ubhale yena recite
No,
bekwendeka kanjani?
ngirecite whenever ngiya ku-event athi no.
Okay.
Mfana wami awuhambi ngayihide ngikhonje ngive ukuthi kanjani so bengiqale ngihaye ekhaya before ngiye la ngiyoperforma ngakhona so
Uhambe uphume vekhaya so nema
phuma ekhaya vele
blessings.
sekunema blessings aqhamuka ngimama.
Okay. So at school boba recitela or bogcina ngekubhala nje then you submit to the teachers kuphela uthi no mina ngido reciter out of school.
No, bengirecite esikoleni
Okay.
ngirecite ngama morning assemblies and then there's this one time kwakushona i-t-shirt esikoleni and then ama t-shirt angicela ukuthi ngibhale ngikhonje kumvalelisa. So yeah, bengirecite esikoleni. Uthi yena ung-alpha phinze ung-omega. Husicalo nesiphefo sempilo konke lokushe kuqala kuye phinze kuphethe nakuye. Uthi yena uNkulunkulu lokhona nalobekakhona nalotako. Uthi yena ngeke asibukelele sifahle bumnyameni ngaphasi kwaleli fle limnyama utabasibana sikhanyisele kule theft impilo. Uthi yena ngeke asifese umfalelo ngedudu kwalankhefe emandla. Hathi johlabelela kahle uyabefala bakha bahole nasendleleni. Mine lena ndlela yasimakathe ndawubambelela njalo ngibeketele noma tivunguvungu tingihlasela ngibe ngiloku ngibambelele njalo ngoba ke yena ungumvindo yaphambili futhi la mina Themba ngilibeke kuye ngoba bamfu bakulona mhlaba bayaguquguquka bayahlabekelana mine lo wami umdali wezulu nemhlaba akaguquguquki uhleze menjalo futhi yena katheli mine phambi kwalo bakhe boso ndawuhleze ngithobeke njalo imihla nemalanga ndabe ngiloku ngibabatele lakhe igama ngoba ngilona liphakeme noma ivunguvungu tingihlasela mina ngabe ngisoloku ngibambelele njalo ngaphasi kwale wakhe umfundi ngabe ngiloku ngihamba khona njalo ngoba bahlale baphephile labahamba ngaphasi kwalomfundi longetulu yena ungumhlengi wale yami impilo nalapho bese ngithi khona ngilahlekelwe lithemba yena ubonakalisile ubukhona bakhe wabonakalisa Thambo kanye nemusa wakhe wangihlenga kulobumnyama lebengifahla kiwo yena ke ngumdali lokhona nalobeka khona nalotako lele futhi Themba sisaphila kulona mhlaba asilibeke kuye lona ke nguye Twin the Poet Dlosonkondlo ngeSiswati.
Loku sobalile ukuthi so performe cishe emahlandla ababaningana. Ubese so diva kanjani after the performance? Do you feel like you want to do poetry now noma ezisikhathi sichubeka uyafuna ke poetry?
No, I want to do poetry now.
Okay.
Yes, now.
Okay.
Because if ever I'm doing poetry ngitfola at peace then ngiyafobeka so nangibhala tinkondlo ngiyakhona ukucabanga kahle ngeke ngicabanga for so
okay.
Yeah, I want to do poetry now because nangenda yona ya ngiyakhona ukucabanga ngiyakhona ukuphumula if ever nangabe khona ngiziniwe so once ngangena ka poetry then ngiyaphumula.
Okay, shothi kutenda sa therapy.
Yeah, ngibeka kanjalo.
Okay. Naku ke uyadibhala tinkondlo takho nguvile ekucaleni nasikhuluma wathi uthanza ngimotivate abantu, right? So nyalo na utibhala inkondlo takho utibhala ngani kahle kahle lo watiko ukuthi yabona na unginiketele sihloko lesi 100% ngizishaya and it's right.
So you see when it comes to poverty, basically poverty.
Okay.
Yeah, and then. And then comes to my funerals, no, I'm that guy, like Balin.
Okay.
So basically, the fact is the cat, pshung, that thing, the pshung, was somebody in the pshung in Patsagab, and then the express, even the man I'm in a Patsagabi, so that program such a penny by the past. And that's why you have for big. So yeah, the same for the pshung, now and then. Hello. Sawubona salwathi sami. Uyatitolo kusishwa nangivakashele ngilomunye umfanyana. Ufika kimi usithi cafu etitsabukile kanye netimpahla etitsabukile atigqoka imishana emalanga kazange watikhethela. Uthi lethi nyembete dihlengetela kulankhakhe emehla imishana emalanga kazange watikhethela. Uthi le mphila imishana emalanga kazange wayicela. uthi kimi yena wabona langa liphemvuka liba mnyama nasemini nasebusuku tinkhanyeti tangasabonakali. Unekufika kimi uthi yena unina wamgcina ekhathi esibhedlela kanti uyise kwathi emva kweminyaka emibili afikile kunamhlaba naye wasashiya emhlabeni. Uthi yena ukhule phasi isandla salukati sakhe. Naso salukati sakhe kwathi emva kweminyaka elithumi afikile kunamhlaba naso sasesashiya emhlabeni. Uthi kusukela ngalelo langa umhlaba wase uyahlaba ngakuye. Uthi kusukela ngalelo langa wase uqala kuphila impilo yekucela bamfini. Kwesinye isikhathi bamfu babe nako ukumsita kepha kwesinye isikhathi bamfu babe nako ungamsiti bahlekise ngaye. Uthi yena bekanekusitwa timphisi letimbese tikhumba temvu. Uthi bona lebe bamsite ngayitolo bona ngakusasa bebabuya phinze batawuhlekisa ngaye. Ufika la khaya uthi sewushonelwe langa bekacela indzawo yekufihla inhloko lobusuku banamuhla kusase kusenta uvuka ibambe. Ngase nami misalukati sami ngembamba khona lapho ngathi khuleka mfana kithi. Lapha kusekhaya ungahlala emalanga lamangaki lo wafunako. Nami ngisatawuhlala lesami salukati le lasithi bangisekhona ngive ukuthi nasi lesingakusita ngayo. Nangisatamshayela ke mfana kithi bengicela uhlale la khaya hazabuye la bheke ngakhona. Utawusinakabuya ke thina bese siyakusita ngaloko lesingakusita ngayo bese uyaqhubeka ngale yakhe indlela. Lona ke nguye Twin the Poet lo sonkondlo ngesiswati salukati sami nalama minutes amase nokungiphelela sesitabuya siyiqedisise lena ndzaba na ubuyakho.
Twin the Poet, any future plans lo nawo ka poetry?
Yeah, I'm planning to becoming one of the best poets la khona la kaNgwane anyway. So kwanyalo lokho nami ngisaqala this journey. I'm hoping that other poets support now because ngisengathi lo ngana nami ngisafonza state but there's one thing that I think khona ngangifikisa khona and I'm willing to gain more. Kuma poets la best la kaNgwane.
Okay.
So basically future plans ka poetry I'm planning to become something more, something greater to what I am right now.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you willing to help others laba fisile kuba ma poets or laba tibitanga o ema poets but solo asbat?
Yes, I'm willing to do that because even as a scholar labanye ngibashiya ngibasita labayithanza leyo mfunga bashiya ngibasita even nanyalo if ever bafuna ngibasita bangibithe esikoleni ngibasite lapha nalapha. Labanye ngwa social media platforms bangibhalela bangicela ama number ami ngibanikete ngibasite. So if ever let's ngatsito ngalele ngikwatiko nami ngabasita ngikinginga. Yes.
Njengaso ngikhondle lo dila kakhulu ngemotivation. Uyafuna yini kubuyela esikoleni uyoba recital uhluba vakashela nje just to give them hope man nalabo le sebalahlekelwa lithemba. Noma uthi cedzile ngesikole wena kwakho nje udayo yosita loyo lo sinami ngifise kwangisongondle.
No, like esikoleni ngiyabuyela even because isikole mina ngisiketse last year and then the whole of last year bengiya ngiba recital even nanyala I'm still willing to do that.
Okay.
Because like vele ngikhule khona so kuba motivate vele ngisatabuye.
Twin the Poet ngiyeva ukuthi hayi man babukeli bakudzinga mbamba futhi so batakuthola kanjani ke?
So ngiyatholakala ku onke ama social media platforms. I go by the name Twin the Poet. So nangabe nalapha ka for number yami tikhona but lengisebenzisa ka WhatsApp is 78247430 78247430. It's Twin the Poet. Go onke ama social media platforms ngiyatholakala.
Nabathi umhlaba uyahlaba cha basuke baqinisile mina ngibonile kulomnyaka lesisuka ku cha akuseyo emavi ami akhe Twin the Poet hlala phansi ngembukeli ungayinzawo sitawujika nje sithi lelo minute siye connect itolo nasibuya sitawubuya naye lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla ungathi inyaka. Mbukelo ihlelo tandla nenkondlo solubukile lona ihlelo lakho lolithandayo nelihamba embili eSwatini TV na 7 lonke nje uyathi lakhathi nesiyakulethela abamvu labendayo nemisebenzi yetandla ngiyathi ningacabana nambamba ukuthi kodwa namunye namhlanje ngintanaye lo wena umsebenzi wetandla sendeke isiqiniseko ukuthi siyamfola lo wena umsebenzi wetandla lo wena umsebenzi wetandla lo uthi na ubuka uthi hayibo akusiso sandla semuvu lesi ngumshina nginaye ke lo wena umsebenzi wetandla. Please introduce yourself. Welcome to the show Vusela Mbukelo ekhaya.
Sanibonani, ngiyajabula kubalana. Igama lami nguNkosinomusa Gumbi and ngiyakolosha.
Okay, uyakolosha kuphela or there's something else lenyelo yenda kweceleni using your hands?
Cha ke nje kulokolosha nekuhlanganisa emawuli lahlukahlukene.
Okay.
Yebo.
So nesikhathi esinganani nomsebenzi wakho etandla?
Ngaqala 2020 ngesikhathi se-COVID.
Okay.
Nasihlede emakhaya ngaba seyi lesidunge lesi. Kanti nale mali sayidinga lamaceleni bese ngiyabuka ngathi hayi kuhle lempo bese ngiyaqala ngiyazama ukufundisa.
Okay. So nawuthi watifundzisa kude lapho waya khona wayocela lisido?
No kude. Okay kumngane nami lebengimbuka adenta letimfo atshengisa ngathi yi kuhle lokhu ukwenda njani wathi hayi thenga inyalithi newool then ngabe sengibuka letimfo atenta ngangena online ngabuka ema-video netitfombe ngabe senami ngidakhela ngendlela yami.
Okay. Nawuthi ngendlela yakho usebenzisa indinyalithi .2 o usebenzisa lokhu ngathi kuluhulu?
Ngaqala ngetinyalithi letimbili ngabe sekungathi kuthatha isikhathi leside and ngathi kuncane lengakhona kwenda with 2 needles. Kanti ngalokukolosha ku faster kusebenzisa iwool encane and there is more variety yabo.
Okay.
Sheshe ucethe.
All right. Yinje lo waqala ngqa ukukolosha ukwathi nasekuphumile kwaphuma kanjani? Were you happy ukubona oweva ungazi uthi hayi lana ngathi ngidomosha isikhathi sami?
Ngaqala ngekwakha isigqoko nescarf. Kwaba kukhulu. Kwaba kukhulu kakhulu ngabe sengithi asengichubeke ngizame ukunciphisa then as practice ngakhona ukukala kahle ngisebenzisa tape measure. Then ngabe sengende ama top ngende ama shorts. Bamfo bese bangisendela titfombe bathi ncongendele naku. Baqala kwaba likhulu but ngabe se ezingichubeka ngiba ne-experience kwabe sekuba lula ke.
Okay.
Yebo.
Alright, bamfunako ke sebaqala bakusendela ukuthi cisendele lokhu. Kuthatha isikhathi esinganani awubanga bese soba ne-pressure ungazi ukuthi yathi kuthina I need someone else lo ngangisida when doing this.
Yabona lemfo nawe uyithanza. Lemfo nawe uyithanza noma ngabe awulali ibusuku bonke awuva ukuthi uyasebenza ngoba usuku enjoy le process. So ngivamse ngatendela and ema top maybe athatha ema hours to a day depending ngale size nala ma colors nale design yayo. Design le phithiphithi tawuthatha isikhathi lesina lesithe kana lokuncane bo size small it can take less time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Material wenda njani? Are you using iwool yinye or uyakhetha uyayiwenda njani? Nangiqhamuka newool mina lengiyibone online ngathi ngifuna le uyayikhona yini uyayiwenda njani?
Okay, mvamse ukuthi ngicela sibamfu bangisendele imali ngisendele deposit like 50%. Like le wool ngiyangithanza ukuthi ngithengele mina ngoba khona lenye wool bathi incane yashimbilika into etikhala itsabuke kani we need quality wool khani tawuhlangana kahle kungaveti depend. Yebo, so nabo umfulethele khole wool le kahle ngiyayithatha but nangabe akusilele kahle ngisuke bese ngiyamcela ukuthi hayi ngisende deposit ndakuthengela le wool kahle ngale color yakho futhi loyifunako.
Okay.
Yebo.
Nguve ubala ema tops wabala tikaf netigqoko yini lenye loyikoloshako?
Ngingakolosha i-dress.
Oh wow.
Yes, kolosha i-dress lenze for ema Jumbo Awards. Ngakolosha nema shorts. Then nanaskipa naslengisendile ngisende ngalama colors ale flag la kangwane kanye na i-top nayi. Then netigqoko ngiyadenda nema 13 swan ema jumpsuits lama boots lamancane. Ngizama ukuthi everyone la ngabe you want something lwemkolosho ungasaleli ngephandle yabo even abo booty nabe bafuna ema vest akhona ngiyawenda kusathi hayi inkolosho labo sisi kuphela thineke bo booty awusendele. So ngizama ukuthi everyone anakekeleka Nkosi Crochet.
Okay, lokusho ukuthi noma ngangibani nje lo utiva ungazi ukuthi ngithinga into lekoloshiwe avele akuthinze right?
Yes.
Okay, naku ke soyaqala uyasebenda 2020 uyawaphula ema customer right?
Yes.
Khamba kanjani, is the support enough noma uvungazi ukuthi you still need more?
I'll always need support. Support is never enough, but then I've been so blessed yet because I've been getting support not only from bamfleng batiko noma bengifundza nabo esikolweni noma bamfasa emsebentini, it's also from strangers. Yabo ema referrals kuthi maybe ngikoloshele wena ushuthe ngaku post bese yasho ukuthi hayi Nkosi Crochet lo munye akhawukela athi hayi ngicisendele nombolo nami ngifuna kwami kanjalo and I've been so grateful. Nkosi Crochet is so coolile from what it was naqala 2020 to now.
Okay. Yini lena lohluke ngayo lo leyenda bamfu basho ukuthi atikuthini lokugcokwe ngifothu lokugoloshiwe nami ngiyakuthinga.
It's because ngikhuluma na Fortune. It's Fortune, what do you want? Usually bamfu bayangitshela ukuthi I think ephathini ngifuna kube kanje. Kanti umtimba wami angithandi this about it. Ngicela sizame ukuthi kube kanje. So I try to talk to the customer. Ngive ukuthi what exactly do you want? What's the occasion? Because sometimes basho ngine graduation, ngine birthday, December ngifuna ukuyobhukisha nebangani bami siye eMozambique. Uyabona imbethi kanjalo. So ngizama ukuthi ngumithe to what you want. Nabafuna ama beats ngiyawangeta, nabafuna sifake ama fitsifitsi siyawangeta. Lo munye uthi hayi ngiconde kube kude. Lo munye uthi hayi ngimfisha. So I try to connect well with the customers.
Okay.
Dancing logo ngangenda ngisethe apart, and I've got a variety of timbo uyabo. Kusi njengoba ngisho ukuthi noma ngayini kwemkolosho, I'm very broad.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, idinga inamba lobhekene nade usenda lo msebenzi ngidiphi wati overcome kanjani futhi?
Okay, usually I'm more focused on kukolosha timbo te summer. So during winter, those times the business iba slow nyana because mafubana ngekhathi banathi matiya kudolobha kushako nakumakhadi. But lesikhathi leso ngisebenzisa ukuthi ngibe ngifuna lamanye ama designs lamasha so that when spring comes September 1 umva ngaboni lemvula osolayibona nga January yabo. So ngizama ukuthi ngiti improve ngibuke online research, talk to other crochet artists, not only nala kangwani ngizama research ukuthi America, Jamaica, all those places. How are they doing umkolosho wabo nami into zama ukuthi lizenga lithi caca.
Okay, since usho ukuthi udila kakhulu netimfo te summer, right?
Yes.
Ufisile yini ezisikhathi sachubeka kwende ama jersey, ama jackets, nemabhluko ngangeke ngabona nemabhluko lakho loshiwe. Are you planning to do that as well?
Yes, if it khona ibhluko lenge ngalikolishwa ngalende ama patches. Like it was very beautiful. You know, I do ngiyake ngifisa ukuthi ngikwende and also incorporate other materials. Maybe ngifake umkolosho nejini. Umkolosho nendvangu. Yabo kuhluka kungabi just lo mkolosho lona kuze uyabo kube kuhle.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, any future plans in terms of ukukhulisa your business?
Ngingathanda ukuthi one day ngivule isitolo. Maybe ngicela ngivule isitolo lambabane ngikhona aqasha someone ngobe banyenti bamfla bangasebenzi abahlete emakhaya. So if ngakhona ukuthi ngivule isitolo maybe lambabane esikhule sibe centrally located so that noma ulapha town back to Mesingwa wengcela lapho bukabuka umkolosho. Then esikhula siye kaManzini, eZulwini, Malkens kanjalo. So that noma ukuphila kangwane you are able to get umkolosho, place order lakho. Sikwendele ngifundise na someone else so that in case mina engakhoni ibusiness ichubeka hayi ukuthi kuvele kumina ngabe ngibambekile.
Okay, ngiyalithanda la ukuthi ufundise labanye. Lokusho ukuthi lokubukela konje nyalo lo show ukuthi you know what ngiyawuthanda lo msebenzi lo wendako angeda ku tandla takho divulekile.
Yes. Nansi nje afake nje inombolo. I mean angicontacte inombolo yami. Then we'll take it from there.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, wathembisana ngemaswati nawo wonke nje lokubukela kwenyalo in terms of umkolosho wakho.
Thembisa ukuthi quicker time ukuthi nawufake order lakho usheshe uthole. Ngizame ukuthi whatever colors ngiplethe emawula different colors hayi ukuthi kube yellow na red. Kube different types of orange, different types of yellow. Kube ma shades nje lahlukahlukile yabo. Timphele kanjalo.
Okay. Utithuthukisa kanjani ke in terms of ukukhulisa ibusiness yakho? How do you get customers? Wenda kanjani? Sitosita nalomunye lo wenda umsebenzi ekhaya uyitandla maybe wende macici but uyatibuta uthi okay, sengiwendile sengimaketha kanjani ngenyalo?
Okay, what I do is nangiceda kwenda le timfo tami ngicokisa umdolo I try to make sure the presentation is clean.
Okay.
Mibo kungabe sekuyangcola. Then I post it on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, onke lama social networks. On aga WhatsApp ngiyaposta, ngizame my account is public so that even if we are not friends but then ukhona la Facebook utawubona lapha kusi Nkosi Crochet. Then that's how you can contact. So nganzi indlela lenhle no word of mouth. Tshele bamfu sibani ngiyakolosha, do you want something? Yabo. Then lo munye utawukhuluma nalomunye akhulume kanjalo. Then ibusiness yakho engakhula.
Okay, sisedake kukusupporta also sidakto Foods Akolosha. Sikuthola kanjani ku social media na sesha bani, then your number athini labanye leside i social media.
Oh, okay. Ka Facebook Nkosi Nomusa na Nkosi Crochet, then ka TikTok and Instagram Nkosi Crochet. Then inombolo yami it's na MTN as Swazi Mobile. Lo MTN ya WhatsApp then do Swazi Mobile my phone calls. Ka MTN ngangithola ku 78120089. Then ka Swazi Mobile it's 79439856.
Ngihlala ngisho ngithi poetry is life. Ngihlala ngisho ngithi letandla takho tsebenzise. Jwayela lokwenda something, jwayela lokubuthabutha nemaphepha. Mina angisho ukuthi batawuthini. Banje ukuthi wena udalibutha noma leso sigodele wenda licicici. At the end of the day, lemfolo yelo tabu yendile utahamba uyithengisa ubuye ulethe sinkwa. Nidle ekhaya nijabule ukhona ukufundisa nalabanye uyabona mos. Sitabona na ngibukele evikini letawo ngasesikhathi sesifana. Goodbye and God bless.